Number 2, solve 3x squared minus 11 minus 4 is equals to 0 by the quadratic formula, by using the quadratic formula. So in such a case, what you do, you need first to state the quadratic formula. X is equals to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Then you also need to state where a is the coefficient of x squared, which is 3, b is the coefficient of x, which is negative 11, and c is the constant, which is negative 4. So what we need to do, we need to substitute these numbers in the quadratic formula. So we'll have x is equals to negative b, but our b is negative 11, plus or minus the square root of b squared, that is negative 11 squared, minus 4 into a, which is 3, into c, which is negative 4, all over 2a, which is 3. So when you simplify, negative 11 is positive 11, plus or minus negative 11 squared is 121 positive, negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. Negative 12 times negative 4 is positive 48. Or better still, you can say negative 4 times 3 is negative 12, then times 4 is negative 48. So subtracting a negative will still be positive. So plus 48 all over 6. Then when you say 121 plus 48, that gives you 169. So we have 11 plus or minus the square root of 169 all over 6. Then the square root of 169 is 13. So we have 11 plus or minus 13 all over 6. So there are two values for x. One, when you're using positive, x is equals to 11 plus 13 all over 6. 11 plus 13, that is 24, then divide by 6, that gives you 4. Then secondly is when we are using negative, 11 minus 13 all over 6. 11 minus 13 is negative 2 all over 6. That gives you here 1, here 3, negative a third. Then you now say our answers are, hence x is equals to 4 or x is equals to negative a third.